If your glutes are getting flatter after 50, it's not just aging, and it's not because you're not exercising. It's because your pelvis is out of position. And that doesn't just affect how you look, it affects your posture, stability, and movement. Most people think they need more glute exercises, so they walk more, do bridges, even squats, but nothing changes. Here's why. Your glutes only work properly when your pelvis is aligned. If it tilts or shifts, which happens easily with age, they can't fully activate. So even if you're exercising, you're training the wrong muscles. That's why today I'll show you two simple movements. One to reset your pelvis, and the other to rebuild strength and shape. Comment your age and where you're watching from. It's always great hearing from you. Now let's start with the most important one. Exercise 1. Wall hip hinge. Stand about 6 to 8 inches in front of a wall, feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly soft. Now gently push your hips back until your glutes touch the wall. From here, slowly hinge your hips forward and back, keeping your spine neutral and movement coming from the pelvis. This looks simple, but it's powerful. What you're doing here is retraining your pelvis to sit in a better position, so your glutes can activate properly again instead of staying switched off. Do 8 to 10 slow, controlled reps every day to help align your pelvis. Exercise 2. Wall-facing squat with heel raise. Stand facing a wall, about 6 to 8 inches away. Place your hands lightly on the wall. Now slowly squat down at the bottom, lift your heels and come up onto your toes. Hold for a second. Lower your heels, then stand back up. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps. This movement does 3 things at once. It strengthens your glutes, improves balance, and trains your body to move correctly. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Because stronger glutes aren't just about how they look, they're about staying strong, stable, and independent for years to come.